Today I'm going to show you how to create and use your own custom tools in Geogebra version 5. So, for the sake of demonstration, let's say we want to create a tool that creates an equilateral triangle given any 2 points. So first, we'll select the point tool and just lay down any 2 points. Next, if we take the circle tool and create 2 circles with center A through point B and center B through point A, where those two intersect, that will give us our third vertex. Now, if we go under the point drop-down menu and select intersect, we can put a vertex where these 2 circles intersect. Now, if we go under the line drop-down menu and select segment, we can connect these 3 points. And there, we have our equilateral triangle. Now at this point, we want to go up to the toolbar and go under the Tools drop-down menu and select Create New Tool. Now if we drag this over, you can see it asks for our output objects. So these are what's going to show up after we use the tool. So we can simply just click on what we want to show up. So for us, that'll be our 3 edges of the triangle, as well as the third vertex, point C. Now if we click Next, we'll go to Input Objects, but as you can see, the 2 points A and B are already in our input objects, so we don't need to do anything with that. If we click Next again, we can name our tool, so let's just name it Equilateral Triangle, and click Finish. So you can see our new tool was created successfully. We can click OK, and now you see it up here in the menu. So now if we select point, we can put down 2 other random points, select our tool, Equilateral Triangle, and then select these 2 points. And there you have it, another equilateral triangle. So our tool is working. But let's say we want to use this on a new Geogebra file. Well, if we go to a second one, well, you can see there's no custom tool here. So if we just go back to our first file and then go to Tools, Manage Tools, then make sure this is selected and click Save As. Now I already have one here, but we can name it whatever we want. So let's name it Equitriangle and save. Now we can just go ahead and close this and move over to our second window, and well, it's still not up there, but if we go to the File drop-down menu and click on Open, we can just go ahead and say don't save our changes, and you can see here equitriangle.ggt. So if we click on that, click on Open, well, it's not there yet, but we go back to the Tools drop-down menu, Customize Toolbar, and you can see it's right here. So if we just select that, and then click on Insert, click Apply, then you see in the top left corner, it's popped up. So now, if we lay down 2 random points again, click on our tool, and those 2 points, we have another equilateral triangle. So that's how you can create and use your own custom tools in Geogebra version 5. This can be very useful when you're working on a problem that requires you to do the same task repeatedly, especially when said task takes a lot of steps. Well, I hope that this video has been informative, and I'll see you next time.